Hi, my name is Dan Music. Today we're going to show you how to replace cones on a TorqueMaster spring. Sometimes the older plastic cones would break, wear out, and be stripped by the gears. So we have the new cones that we install on these. At the same time, we want to show you how to replace the inside spacer in case that gets bent or damaged, or if we're having to ship overseas and we had to remove that for you. So to begin, we remove, if there's plastic on your spring, if the plastic cover is there, you remove that and put that aside. Then you position the winding cone inside the vise like this with the top of the wire here. Notice that because of the wire being close to the stop, we can't get this off with a pipe wrench, which we'll be using in a little bit. So we grip the cone this way, then we take a screwdriver and a hammer and until that's loose. Move this forward, take a pipe wrench and a vise grip. You vise grip the cone, and the important part here is the pipe wrench must grab and hook the very end of the wire. It only takes about 5 pounds of pressure to remove this, but if you don't have it hooked correctly, 100 pounds will not remove it, and you'll break parts and strain muscles and joints. So you take this and then you just unwind it. And you want to be careful as you unwind it. Stay away from the outside, because this cone is going to shoot out about 6 inches when it gets loose, because the spring right now is holding it in place. So as you get to the end, it shoots out. So this is now free. So if you're replacing the cone, if you have an old one of the old black ones or white ones that's stripped, you take your old one off. If you're replacing the shaft in here for an overseas shipment, first thing you want to do is clean the cone. If it's it has oil on it. You also want to clean the inside in here. To do that, you first have to pull off the old tube, and then put the rag in here to clean the oil out. If you don't clean this out, you could put it all back together and then the spring slipped loose. So we pull that out. If you're replacing the tube, this tube here is about 3/8 of an inch, maybe just over 3/8 of an inch, about 7/16. And it's a hollow tube. So if you're replacing the tube on an international shipment, you insert the new tube in it. Notice that there's about a 6-inch gap there. It won't go all the way in. And to get this in here, you put the cone on here, you push in with your left hand and turn with your right hand. And you keep turning and turning and turning, and it's going to get real stiff. So then you turn with the vise grip to finish this up. And notice that you want the end of the wire right at the stop for the cone. So now the new cone is on. You can take it out of the vise, and at this point we can install the new shield on. The purpose of the shield is to keep the spring quiet when it's rolling around inside the tube. So then you push this all the way in, and then You line the edge of this teardrop with the edge of this, and now it's ready to insert into the tube.